That looks so good. We're starting with 2 cans of crushed pineapple. We're gonna add 2 cans of delicious mandarin oranges. Oh my gosh, this is so good. This has springtime written all over it. I'm ready for it. Okay, you guys, now we're gonna add a bag of puffed marshmallows. I'm not gonna lie, when I saw that they had these bunny marshmallows, I knew that I needed to come up with an idea of what to make because seriously, look at how cute those things are. Oh my gosh. Super cute. Okay, so on top of that, we're gonna grab a little bit of Baker's coconut, and I'm gonna throw 2 cups of coconut right in there. Whoops, that's a little messy. That's okay though. Oh, that looks so delicious. It's just gonna sweeten it up a little bit. I can't get over those marshmallows still. Oh, they're adorable. Then you wanna grab some plain yogurt. Okay, so another thing I want to let you guys know is that if you are not a fan of yogurt, I know that sometimes in the past, people say, ew, I don't like yogurt. You can always use sour cream instead. So either plain yogurt or sour cream. And on this, I'm putting 2 cups of that plain yogurt right on top of that coconut right there. Then we just want to stir that all together. We're mixing up the pineapple, the coconut, those little bunny marshmallows. Ooh, I love this. This is a super easy, like ambrosia style salad. And then those little bunny marshmallows just bring that springtime in. And oh my goodness, it's gonna be so delicious. Now, once you have this all mixed up, you're definitely gonna want to sit it in the fridge because you want all of those flavors to melt together. So make sure you have a few hours on your hands to let this marinate. Oh, I cannot wait to try this. Look at how good that looks. Oh, it is going to be so delicious. I'm gonna pop it in the fridge and I'm gonna let it sit in there for at least 3 hours. All of those flavors are just gonna combine. It is going to be so good, you guys. Stick around, you're gonna love this. We are good to go, and I can't wait to sink my teeth into this. I love the colorful little bunnies. I love that little spring edition there. I probably could have said it a million times, and I'll say it a million more. Look at the pineapple, the coconut. You have those mandarin oranges I see peeking right out there. I'm really excited to try this. Do you have a twist for your ambrosia salad or what you do? I remember as a kid, my grandma making this, and honestly, the longer it sits, the better it gets. So if you have more time, of course, let it sit longer. I'm too eager to try, so. What a perfect combination. I really like using the crushed pineapple too instead. Those coconut just sweeten up that plain yogurt, and it's so delicious. Marshmallow. This is where it's at. Simple, good, satisfying. Everybody loves this stuff, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know if there's anything else that you would switch up. Maybe you have a staple and I want to hear all about it. See you guys later.